Hi, it's Alexis from Artists in Business, back with another video helping you turn your online art business into a success. Today, I'm going to talk to you about why you may need business coaching for your art business, whether you're just starting or you've been in business for years. Now, before we begin, let's address a common misconception. If you're watching this video, you likely already understand the benefits of getting support when it comes to growing your business with your art, online or off. We're in a very important moment in time when it comes to growing your business, online or off, in that the online space is currently overly saturated with businesses of all kinds, including art businesses. And yet, an overly saturated market is the perfect environment to grow your business because you have people waiting to buy from you. In addition to that, knowing how to differentiate between your niche audience and others who may or may not ever invest in your art is the single most important part of creating a business online that not only brings in sales consistently, but predictably and for the long term. So here are 3 compelling reasons why business coaching can be crucial for your art business growth. The first reason is establishing a strong foundation for your artistic career. Many artists are incredibly talented, but struggle to navigate the business world. Business coaching provides you with the knowledge and tools to set realistic goals, develop a solid brand identity, and create a strategic plan to achieve success. From understanding pricing and contracts to building a strong portfolio and marketing yourself effectively, a business coach can guide you in laying that foundation for your artistic journey. The second reason why business coaching is essential for artists is managing financials and ensuring sustainability. Let's face it, art is not just about creating beautiful pieces. It's about making a living from your passion. A business coach can assist you in developing a budget, tracking expenses, and setting realistic pricing for your artwork. They can help you understand the art market, explore different income streams, and create strategies to generate sustainable revenue. By gaining financial literacy and learning how to manage your art as a business, you can focus more on creating and less on the financial stress. Lastly, business coaching can help you expand your networks and find collaboration opportunities. Building connections within the art industry is crucial for growth and expansion. A business coach can guide you in attending networking events, participating in exhibitions, and connecting with galleries, collectors, and other artists. They can teach you effective communication skills, help you craft compelling artistic statements, and navigate the world of social media to enhance your online presence. With a solid business foundation and networking skills, you'll open doors to exciting opportunities that can propel your artistic career forward. To wrap up, it's clear that business coaching plays a vital role in the success of artists. By establishing a strong foundation, managing finances effectively, and expanding networks, artists can focus more on their craft and less on the business side of things. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or thoughts, please leave them in the comment section below. And remember, as an artist, you have the power to create amazing things and thrive in the art world and the world beyond. With the right business coaching, you can take your artistic career to new heights. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And once again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.